Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this spaghetti strap casual top. So if this is something you're interested in, just keep watching. This video is definitely for you. Welcome back. So on this my pattern paper, I've marked out my armhole line, my bust line, and also my half length line. So now I'm just marking out my neck depth, so which is 5.5. So that's what I'm marking out there, and I'll roll it out. So after rolling it out, I will measure 4.5 inches on the neckline, and I will go down to my bust area and measure my bust. So now I'll go down to the half length area and also measure my waist. So for this tutorial, we won't be needing a seam allowance for the joining, but we'll be just be needing an ½ inch for the turning of the material later on. So now I'll connect the neck to the bust area. So after that, I'll connect the bust to the waist. So now I'll be labeling the lines, the armhole, the bust, and the waist. Then I'll be joining a piece of pattern paper to the sides of this. So now I'll be measuring 3 inches from the bust and also 3 inches at the waist. Then I'll connect the line. So after connecting the line, this is what I have. So I lost the footage, that's why I couldn't show you. So but this is what I have. So I'll be using 2 colors of fabric, a red and a baby pink. Yes. So now this is my pattern paper on it. I added ½ inch to that side. I didn't add ½ inch to the lower part because I already added ½ inch to the pattern paper. So I only added ½ inch to that side. Yes, to that side down there. I didn't add to the lower part because it already have ½ inch sewing allowance. So these are the stripe. It is 2.5 inch wide. I didn't measure the length, it's just 2.5 inch wide. So this is another stripe I'll be using for the loop of the rope at the back. So it's very tiny, and that's like 1.5 inch wide. So I'll just go ahead and sew it, and then I'll come back. So this is the loop after sewing. So I've cut it into pieces of 2.5 inches. So I'll just be attaching it to that side, 5 each on both sides. Then I've went ahead to added the rope to the top of the neck. So I'll just go ahead and sew that side and turn it with the other material. So after turning, this is what we have. Everything I sew was inside, so the rope too is inside. So I just left a small hole down there for the turning. So let me just go ahead and turn it, and I'll be right back. So this is turning. This is turning. This is what we have after turning the top. So I've went ahead to iron it out. So this is what I have after ironing. This is the other side of the material, and this is how it will look at the back after lacing. So let me just lace, and I'll be right back. So this is what it will look while lacing. So this is what it looks like. A closer view, this is what it looks like. So it looks really nice. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please please subscribe, please comment, please like, share. engage on this video, please, please, and please. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.